All right, guys. Oh man, Happy New Year, everybody! Whoa, it's kind of chilly out here. Well, y'all guessed it. Whoa, this has gotten worse since the last time I was here. Well, guys, I was given the orders for the day, and that is simply, you go nowhere. We clean up today. So I have a lot of cleaning to do. It's New Year's. It's January the 1st, guys. I'm not a big New Year's guy. I'm not a big party guy. None of that. So it's not like I'm hung over or anything like that. Look at my shoes. I've been looking for these. So, and actually, I think it's raining outside. I don't know. It's like 10, maybe 9, 10 o'clock. I can't even sleep in on my day off, guys. How many of y'all, is my thing plugged up? No, it ain't even plugged up. We must be going manual. Oh, guys, don't pay no mind. I'm gonna handle all this today. Today, guys. I can't even leave the house. She told me today is major cleanup day. So I'm gonna get my studio back on track and get my mechanic stuff where I do my filming. Oh, it's a lot of mess. I think it's raining outside, guys. I did sleep good. I mean, we stayed up to 12 and did the typical traditional countdown. But, whoa, what a beautiful day. Yes, it is raining, guys. Happy New Year's to everybody. Hope y'all had, well, we all know 2020 was a pretty rough year. Some of us cherished, some of us didn't, some of us had a hard time. Check out the eyelashes. She sell lashes, guys. So I guess if she's going to sell them on people's eyes, I might as well put them on people's cars. But yes, it's raining. 2020, I hope you guys have a real good 2021, which started today. Oh, my neighbor still got his Christmas lights. I wonder if they're going to light tonight. I wanted to film right here, guys. I wanted to stand right here and film and have that in the background. There'd be some blurry Christmas black background, but it gets dark at 5:30 now, so by the time I got off work, I never had a chance to do it. All right, first thing first. I have been given orders. Okay, trash. I got the one trash bag out of the kitchen. Where do we start, guys? I got to get my studio up because I promised. I got some rappers, I got some people waiting on some music. I do beats, I do songs, I write songs, I do all of that when it's working. For the last 3 months, guys, YouTube been my sole focus, okay? And I must say, and I'm not bragging, I mean, it's all thanks to you guys. I had the best month of all in December. In fact, I woke up this morning to a message from YouTube congratulating me, okay? I accumulated the most subscribers that I've ever accumulated in the 1 month span, December. Now, it's funny about YouTubers or YouTube people that watch YouTube. On holidays, they don't do nothing, okay? The Christmas day, views went down, watch time, everything went down. People, with their family, nobody's on the computer. I understand that. But soon after, shoot, everything shot back up. It's like business as usual. And I had the best month of all. Thanks to you guys. Okay, thanks to everybody that watched. I also kept uploading. You notice I don't stop. I got a video scheduled to go out, once a day. So they all pre-done. Most of them pre-done, but and I don't want to speak on them because I want them to be out first before I speak on them. All right, guys. First thing I got to do, I'm headed to the gym. I got to go to the gym. She in there cooking, and I want to work out fasted. Okay, no food, no nothing, just some water and some maybe some nitric oxide or something. No, I don't really do a lot of pre-workout, but I'm doing deadlift today. I want to hit every part of my body. I want to get in and get out. So if I can do 3 or 4 sets of 315 deadlifts, that will fuel me. When I get home, I can essentially carb backload, guys. That means I can eat a lot of carbs. I typically do this on Sunday, but because I'm off, it feels like a Sunday. So I'm going to treat it like a Sunday. I might actually pig out today on some stuff I normally don't. I'm a carb backload. But in order for me, this is my personal opinion. When I do carb backload, I make sure I earn it. So I'm fasted right now. I'm about to go do some heavy compound workout. And my body's going to be craving anything I give to it, okay? I still try to maintain a level of healthiness. I'm not going to eat a bunch of unhealthy stuff, but I will eat a bunch of food, calories. Okay, there's nothing wrong with calories, unless you're trying to lose weight. I ain't trying to lose weight. So I'm just trying to maintain a certain level of health. All right, guys, here are my boots. I'm wearing my boots because I'm doing deadlifts. I don't need tennis shoes, and in fact, I can go in some jeans. I'll be reckless in the gym, guys. I don't be right at all. Oh, I found my tripod. Let me set this up, guys. Hold tight. Let's do a few things. I gotta shoot up. Which car I'm gonna take? Whichever one got gas in it, guys. I might go with my daughter Journey, because she said one of the lights on, so I gotta find out about that. All right, let me put these shoes on, guys. I gotta get ready to go to the gym. Hold tight. All right, guys, let's go. Let's check out something, because did have plans for the day. I forgot. I really wanted to. Let me go this way. I had plans to get up on the roof. The roof. Y'all see it's a tree shedding season. See my gutters, man. I had plans. Look, my ladder right here. That's what it was. I had plans. I did have plans for the day, but I didn't know it was gonna rain, guys. My damn gutters look at my neighbor gutters. That could give you problems, guys. If the gutters is full of leaves, water can essentially make its way above the roof into the seams and cause your whole siding to get filled with water. That car's still here. That car is going to the pull apart. They're gonna give me about $250 for it, so I'll take it. I might try to get the wheel. I was gonna get the wheels off, but I ain't got no wheels to put on it, and they gotta have something to roll it. I'm gonna try this one. But anyway, it overheated. All I need is a head, guys. I repeat, I do not feel like it. It need more. It need a little bit more than the head. I might change my mind, guys, because I have heads in my truck. Y'all saw my Dakota, my gray Dakota. I have heads in there. I might change my mind. It depends on how I feel, because that's all it needs. The girl that was renting it overheated it doing something, and then it's been a nagging overheating problem ever since. All right, guys, so here's what I'm gonna do. Let's flip this over. All right, I'm going to the gym, right? And I'm going to get some my man, what's my man name to do the gym videos? Oh, dang, he put a video out every day. Fitness. I'm coming for you, baby. You know who you are, my bro, my homie, big dog. Yeah, man, I'm gonna start incorporating fitness videos into the channel, guys, because this channel is already monetized. All right, I might as well. Let me walk around here. I might as well earn some revenue off these little videos, okay? Yes, guys, I got a lot of work to do in my own house, so this is a day off that's very well much needed. Look at all. Let me turn this around. Look at all these leaves. This is my backyard. Look at all. So if this is full of leaves, you can imagine. Yeah, you can see my gutters are super leaf. It has really cluttered. Yeah, guys, when I run out of time or when I don't have time to go to the gym, I just come back here and do some deadlifts back here. Okay, this all steel stuff. Now those are plastic. I'm not into isolation. I don't really get down with isolation exercise, just biceps only or anything like that. I'm a compound guy, guys. I'm all about the core. The core ain't right, nothing else matters. So this is where I do deadlifts at home. But because the gym is likely open, I'm about to go up there. It's a better environment than back here. I give out real quick at home because I don't see any motivation. But yeah, I have a lot. Now I don't know if I'm gonna be able. Oh my God, look at those gutters. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. See, that's what I mean. See, y'all see that water coming out of there? Water ain't supposed to come out. It's supposed to drain down the gutters. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. When it dry up, the second it dry up, I will be on top of this roof. This is bad. Look at that. All right. God, I feel bad for my neighbors. How they get on top of they see them tall houses right there? Holy crap. Okay, guys. I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm headed to the gym. I can smell the breakfast in there. So by the time I get back, I ain't gonna be long. That's what's really crazy. I ain't gonna be long at all. By the time I get back, food will be ready. I'll be ready to carb backload, guys. So I tell y'all what, Happy New Year again. Hope y'all have a prosperous New Year. I may upload this and I may just upload this right now. Guys, I'll see y'all later, man. Stay tuned.